Welcome to Uconnect. In this video I'm going to show you how to set your locks, the door locks, to automatically lock as soon as you start to drive. On this radio settings here, select apps on the right, select settings, select the down arrow, then select doors and locks. Then you want to go to auto door locks, and then if you have this on, as soon as you start to drive, the doors automatically lock. It's a nice feature to have. You can have other settings here. Auto unlock on exit, flashlights with lock. So when you press the key fob button and you want the lights to flash, well, that's the setting for that. Or you can make the horn beep. I'll turn that off, let's say, when you lock car. So those are some of the settings. And then if you got remote start, for example, like in this case we have remote start, you can make the horn beep so you know the car remote started when you're using that function. And a few other settings. Thank you for watching Uconnect, where you can be the mechanic.